Imagine your HR tasks running smoother than ever, where routine work is taken care of by intelligent systems and your decisions are guided by insights that make sense. In our course, designed exclusively for human resources directors, you'll learn how to integrate AI into your daily operations in a way that feels natural and impactful. We know that AI can seem intimidating at first, but once you see it in action, you'll realize it's a tool that frees up your time and enhances your leadership capabilities. By enrolling, you'll discover how AI can handle repetitive tasks like filtering resumes, scheduling interviews, and managing onboarding. This gives you the freedom to focus on the more strategic facets of your role, like nurturing talent and driving organizational success. Throughout the course, you'll gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience, learning not just the theory, but how to apply AI solutions to real-world human resources challenges. What makes this experience even more valuable is that most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance your job security, and open new career opportunities. You're not just keeping up with the latest technology, you're positioning yourself as a forward-thinking leader who understands how to harness it for better engagement and more effective people management. If you're ready to step confidently into the future of HR with practical tools and insights, all our AI for Human Resources Directors training courses are waiting for you at completeaitraining.com.